Hello, this is Karia from ColoringKaria, and I originally filmed this video on how to have a leader on your spinning wheel bobbin and have that one leader using it over and over again for years. And so I filmed this video. I was asked to make it available more publicly, so I'm uploading it here on YouTube. But if you like this video, let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more spinning videos or if you have any other questions. And I will see you guys later. Bye. So somebody asked how you tie on a leader, and they were having problems tying on a leader. So I just wanted to show you the way that I do it. I saw this, I don't even know where I saw this, but I like a really long leader, which gives me plenty of time to adjust the wheel or whatever. And I just use, I think this is 10/2 crochet thread, but you can use like thicker or or finer a crochet thread. I like to use crochet thread because cotton crochet thread, just because it's so sturdy and it lasts a long time. I put on a leader and I'm done with a leader for several years before I have to replace the leader. So you just put in a simple knot, nothing too complicated. This is not the most important part. If you want to be extra secure, you can put in a second knot. That's not that urgent. So you have a double knot right there. And then I like to cut off the excess close to the knot, but not right on it. All right, so now this is the important part. With the side that has the knot on it, so with the side that has the knot on it, you're going to create a loop here and then take the rest of the fiber, and you got to remember which side you do the loop first. All right, so I'm going to start it with this side, and then all I do is I take both threads and I just pull it all the way through. All right, so now if you do this and you try to spin, it's going to move it. So the way that you anchor it is you make sure that that's in nice and tight all the way. All right, once that's in all the way, then you create a loop with both strands on the other side. And now with this loop, you're going to pull the thread over on the other side, and you now have something that is pretty secure. This is just not going to move at all. So this is your leader, and it's on the spinning wheel. It's going. Like I said, I like a really long leader. All right, so now we are at the point where we have the yarn that you're actually going to spin. Now the question is, how do you get a leader to last forever? It's pretty simple. You just fold it over and the wheel spins. And you can use this for thick or thin yarn. And then when you're finished knitting the yarn, when you're finished spinning the yarn, you just cut it, or you can sometimes even pull it, and then you have a fresh reusable leader. As with all my videos, I am ending with a little clip of one of the cats being bad. This is Bella harassing my expensive wool. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.